Hey guys, today's video is going to be a little bit of a vlog. I'm going to be going shopping today. I need to get my nails done. I was thinking of getting my hair done because I have a gift card thingy to go to a salon to get my hair done. So I don't really know what they do there. So I'm gonna go in, ask like what treatments they have. Even if I just get like a pedicure, that's better than nothing. Yeah, it's a few girly things today, but when I'm shopping I do want to get a few more things for work, because to be honest, like, I didn't really think of that before I started working, and you kind of have to wear all black, but you can sort of change it up and wear a little bit of navy, a bit of grey, but you can be a bit more fashion forward in my department, which is quite nice. So I am going to try and see if I can find any nice things to wear to work, because at the moment I'm literally just wearing like a black turtleneck or a black t-shirt and some smart trousers. And yeah, I wanted to have a look in maybe office to see if they have any like nice loafers and stuff, because I have some loafers, but you know, I want to see if they have any different ones. When it is nude polish, it does like wear down very easily. So, and also at work we've been doing a lot of stock stuff, so my nails like breaking very quickly. So makeup today, my normal makeup. What I did try, which I bought yesterday, is the NARS liquid bronzer, Laguna liquid bronzer. My friend Eleanor showed me this. Well, she said that like, it's the best thing ever, so I thought I'd give it a go, and I just got it on my lunch break yesterday. So I actually quite like it. Like, I thought it was too liquidy to start with, because I am used to this stick, which is the Hoola contour stick. So you obviously use it with like a stipple brush, and I used it with a stipple brush today, but it just worked better than I expected. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna go get changed now. I was meant to have a shower. Well, I did have a shower in the end, but it was a cold shower, so I didn't wash my hair, so it's a bit horrible at the moment. I also have to not return, it's like an exchange. I just want to get a better size, because this Nike top that I bought on my birthday is like lovely, but it's too big, so I need to make sure I get a better size, so preferably an extra small. And I don't think I'm that small of a person. Like, I'm not particularly petite. I'm not petite in any form, like, so I don't know, but I have to get a smaller size. But that's on that's the Oxford Circus Nike, unless I can find it in the Westfield one. But I kind of want to see if I can go down to Oxford Street / Regent Street anyway, because I have a gift card for John Lewis, and I feel like I might as well run some errands whilst using the gift card. If you want me to vlog on days like this when I have nothing else to do, but I'm doing stuff you might find like remotely interesting, let me know, and I will see if I can do that for you, because I'm just gonna like get stuck in, like suck it up and just, you know, film and vlog in public, even though it can be very embarrassing. Thank you guys, let's get onto the outfit. So outfit today is really not girly. Just wearing my jacket, my top, I'm really not good at this. I'm wearing the big Canada Goose jacket. I'm wearing a white Calvin Klein top, black Topshop jeans, and some Nike Force Ones. Now I've just realised, like, it's cold. There isn't really much else that I'm going out for, so I'm just gonna wear this. So it's honestly the weirdest weather. It's like not rainy enough to have an umbrella, but it's like if you have your hood down you just feel a bit weird. So I'm going to go to Westfield first, see what that salon has to offer, because it's really confusing me, and then go to Oxford Street from there. Guys, this is where I get my nails done in Westfield, just outside of Dorothy Perkins, and also Swarovski. In office, these are really cute. I'm considering. I've decided I need to have some yo sushi. Now I've seen it, like, I can't get my head around not getting it. So I'm gonna have some lunch now. I'm going to have the sumo bowl. It's my absolute fave. And I'm gonna be able to finish it, but it's all good. Very oily. See how this goes. I'll show you once I get it. Oh my god. Look at this. This is like food porn, I swear. Do you? So I'm in Topshop and I'm gonna get this bodysuit, sock boots over there, and I got advice from, what's your name, sorry? My name is Shayna. Shayna. She gave me advice and she said, don't go for them. I'm not gonna get them because I have a feeling that they're gonna like wear in too much. It's not gonna look that great, and
ruined by the end of the night, so there's no point wasting your money.
Exactly. Exactly, so instead I'm just gonna get the bodysuit because it's like you can wear it for anything. So thank you so much for your help. Thin Lush, everyone visit Shayna in Topshop Westfield. Love it. So I'm gonna go into Debenhams now because I want to see if I can get my mascara that I ran out of. I used the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced, and I have a Westfield gift card, so I'm gonna see if I can go and use it. So I'm in Debenhams now. Let's see what I can do. Let's see what Malika has inside. Okay, so I've got the mascara. I went into Malika and I had a look and see what they had to offer, and they basically have I think I'm gonna get like a pedicure there. And yeah, I wanted to say, like, people in Topshop, I think she was specifically Office, if you visit her, say hello. She was absolutely lovely. And also in Debenhams, I can't remember her name, but she served me from Too Faced, and she was like one of the nicest women. Like, I think when you have like a day of people who are genuinely just so nice in shops where they don't need to be, you appreciate it so much more. So yeah, I'm gonna go off to Oxford Regent Street now. So I just got them done, but look at me. I'm actually a mess. Clever old me forgot to bring the nail polish that I brought with me. I left it at the nail place, so there's some kind of like fire alert or something at Oxford Circus where I wanted to go, so I'm gonna go to my Bond Street instead. So let's leave, and then actually it's not that bad of a thing because it means I can go to what's it called instead? John Lewis instead, get the gift card from there, then go to Nike. So I'm on Oxford Street now. I just went and bought like a bit of makeup because I actually lost, no, I ran out of like my eyebrow pencil, and so I just like needed to stop up because my mum brought two of the wrong thing. So I bought some of that, used my John Lewis gift card, Laura Mercier powder, and I'm gonna go to Nike now. Yeah. So ignore the fact that I'm super oily right now. I got the lovely lady, I've forgotten her name, in Nike has gotten me the extra small in the quarter zip, and I'm looking at this like red top and I'm liking it, so I don't know, I might get it because I don't know, I just don't feel like I have like enough gym clothes, so I'm gonna have a look around and then see what I can find. Hey guys, I'm home. Put my hair up, not sure how I feel about it, but it's staying there. So I thought I'd show you the stuff that I bought, kind of like I'm doing a haul, but a very casual one. I literally just got the bodysuit that I showed you with lovely Shayla. It's like very round neck. I just think it'd be very cute, and then you can undo the buttons if you want to be a bit more sexy. Then I have a few makeup goodies. So first I'll pick out the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I am currently using Ben Nye just because it's quick, easy, but I thought since I have a gift card for John Lewis, I might as well splurge on a translucent powder. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Oh, it's new packaging. Cute. So that's that. I got a top up of my fave Better Than Sex mascara. I think there's 3, and then there's another one in there, so now 5th one. I basically cannot be bothered to start clearing out my makeup drawers because I feel like once I start I won't be able to finish, and I'll be like up till like 3 in the morning doing it. So I'll find a day when I'm actually free. But I got that, and then I got I went into Boots because I got the 2 eyebrow pencil top up things that I needed. I got 3 more of my favourite NYX nude lip liners. I just feel like I've lost about 5 of them already. I think it's about 5 in the past like 2 weeks. I just bring them everywhere with me. They drop out my bag. I lose things very easily, so I need them. Then I got just the NYX On The Spot makeup brush cleaner. It was next to the till. And also I'm very lazy when it comes to cleaning my brushes, which is disgusting, but I am. And so it means that when it comes to washing them, I just do it all at once. But I'd rather, you know, do it on the spot, as it says. As you saw, I also went into Malika and had a look at, like, I basically wanted like a booklet because I really couldn't be bothered to spend too much time in there. I wanted to get home before rush hour. I'm thinking of getting like just a pedicure. Then in Nike I got the same 3/4 zip. This is a much better fitting. It's an extra small this time. It looks like that. And then I also got this red top. I mean, I'm showing you this, but I kind of showed you in the shops, but why not do it again? It just looks like this. Red top, and then on the back looks like that. I really want to film a video now. Like, I'm gonna take you off this feels too formal. I really want to film a video, but I'm not sure what. I'm thinking of maybe starting the how to style Nike Air Force Ones video, but as you can see, my room is a tip and it's small, and when you film like these how to style videos, I feel like you need like quite a lot of room. Well, I know you need like quite a lot of room just to clear everything out. So I need to clear out my room anyway, so I'm gonna start doing that now. Left stuff in like their birthday bags and stuff, and it's really getting bad. But there's just no room, like in my wardrobe, in the drawers, there's no room for anything. So I'm gonna make an effort to try now. Start off with the makeup that I bought now, and then we'll go into it. Okay, so I've had my dinner. I'm sorry I haven't filmed or anything. Pardon me. I thought I might show you this. This is my Polaroid wall. It's just literally on my wardrobe, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just kind of like putting some more on at the moment, but I think I might take a photo and put it on Instagram, because I don't know, I like the cluster sort of like of photos, but it's all kind of like neat because it has all of the, I don't know, I just like them. For people that have been asking, I have the Polaroid printer. I still have the box because I've actually had this alone before and I've lost it, so thank God I kept the box. Yeah, I've got the camera as well, but I found that I use the printer more because it's just easier to take a photo on my phone and then print it out on the printer. This is from when me and Lauren and Ella and also Lydia went out in Birmingham, and this is when me and my uni gals, so me, Liv, Lauren and also Laura, went out. Me and Shannon, and just like most of them are just like nights out, but to be fair, I just like the way it looks. I think it's very fun, and yeah, I think I might take a photo and put it on Instagram because I actually do need to upload something. So there we go. I think it's one of those nights where I like realise I have like 1,000,001 things to do, but I have only just realised like I need to take a shower, wash my hair. I have to tidy up a bit more. I do have to make a proper start on my uni work. I've got a lot to do. Also, another thing, so these earrings, if you haven't seen my Christmas haul already, links in the description, but I got these Swarovski earrings for Christmas, and I lost one of them. And then I found it, but I also lost the back of one of them. And when I was at work the other day, because I just used a smaller one that I had in like my collection, it went straight into my ear. I think I like hit something and it went straight into my ear. It was bleeding. The hole on my ear is now quite big. So I had to go to Swarovski. I was like, can I buy like the backs of your earrings? And they just gave me one for free. So fun fact, if you've lost one, like the back of an earring for Swarovski earrings, go there and they will give you a back, because otherwise you'll get ripped earlobes like I have. Anyway, I'm going to carry on putting these up. Then I'm going to probably, I don't know, I feel like I'm like forgetting things and like what order I need to do them in. I don't know, but I pretty much tidied up my room. This doesn't look tidy, but I promise it is. Okay, so this is a bit of a different shot. I currently have a face mask on. Not really much of an update in regards of, you know, getting everything done. I'm just gonna have a shower, dry my hair, and then see what time I have left and then work from there, because I can't finish it all. My skin is not great at the moment. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask. I have a mask on every single day. I like the way I like treating the skin. And also, for those asking, this is what I use for my hair. So when I go in the shower, I use the Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. It's gonna eventually like simmer down to bedtime. Whilst looking like this, I've got like fluff on my nose. I want to say thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please let me know if you would like other vlogs like this. So on days off and stuff, would you like me to just film what I'm doing? Because it tends to be stuff along these lines, like running errands as well as shopping and all sorts, you know what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna try and get on with a little bit of work now, try and like make a little start and see if I can edit this vlog as well, because I like getting a lot done before I go to bed. So, see you in the next video.